Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, guys. And we're seeing a whole bunch of catalysts happening in the marketplace right now. And I think this is really good and positive news, guys. So you got to watch this video to the end, guys. We got lots to talk about. Looks like Samsung, can you believe it? Samsung is going to release its new lineup for smart TVs and incorporate NFT functionality. So you're going to be able to search, view, and trade NFTs straight from your TV, guys. That's going to be amazing in the house, guys. And this is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house just expressing his opinion. And this is for educational purposes only. So I think this is huge news, guys. What do you guys think? Also, we're seeing that there's a huge Shiba Inu burn happening right now. So this is good news, and this is positive news for the Shiba Inu community and everybody out there, because as we burn more and more Shiba Inu, it means that there's less in circulation, and this should mean that the prices are going to go uppity up. And we're seeing right now that the crypto markets are pretty much flat. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance drop a little bit, but Bitcoin is holding strong above $47,000. So that is good, guys. That is good. So we're going to talk about some on-chain data that still proves to me that we're going to see Bitcoin hit 60,000 and all-time highs, probably coming in late February, early March. That's from Tech Dev, guys. So we're going to jump into some Tech Dev stuff. We're going to look at some Plan C stuff. We got Matthew Hayward in the house. We got a whole bunch of stuff that you guys need to watch to the end, guys. And if that sounds interesting, if this sounds great, come and join me. Come and join the OG. Let's go down the crypto rabbit hole together. Woo! Let's get it, guys. I know you want to get it. I want to get it. Smash the likes. Subscribe, BYB, like never before. And don't forget to comment, guys. And try and think about becoming a member, guys. Become a member. Show some love for the OG in the house. Let's get into the content right now. Alright, guys, let's jump into the content. We're seeing right now that BTC is slightly down. It's almost neutral right now. You can see it's at 0.03, guys. We're seeing that Ethereum is up, guys. We're seeing, a bit of a mixed bag today, but we're seeing more green than we are red right now. So that's looking pretty good. Luna's up, BNB is up, guys. So things are looking pretty good. So let's take a jump into it, guys, now. So we're seeing right now there's some Bobby Axelrod in the house, and he's really being very positive in terms of outlook for Bitcoin. I'm being pretty positive too. And he's saying that the handle will end up looking something like this, in my opinion. And he's drawn we're right here right now, and he thinks that the whole pattern that Bitcoin Fractal is going to take is going to be something like this. We're going to see ourselves going up, which we did, and we're going to see ourselves going up in this direction, down, up, and down. And he really believes that it's going to be looking something like this, and we're going to see $58,000 to $60,000 in mid to late January. Then we could see a first pullback, guys, to about 48 to 50,000 week of February, and then we should retest the all-time highs of in February or early March, guys. So he's thinking that early March we should see us retesting all-time highs. So this is pretty good, guys, and we could even get a small pullback early March, guys. So I believe, and Bobby in the house feels that Bitcoin is absolutely going to go to the moon, guys. So that is really good. Some interesting news that's coming out right now is that we're seeing that Samsung announces that NFT platform for smart TV. And I talked about this in the intro, and it looks like that South Korean giant Samsung has revealed a new smart TV lineup with an integrated NFT platform that's going to allow you to watch, look, search, and trade NFTs directly from your TV, guys. So this is pretty bullish, guys, and this hopefully will drive the NFT markets higher and higher, and this should also help the total TVL locked on Ethereum and send Ethereum higher and higher. Some other stuff that's coming in right now news-wise, we're seeing Bank of Jamaica completes its first CBDC pilot in the house. So the Bank of Jamaica initially partnered with the Irish cryptocurrency firm eCurrency to mint for its first CBDC project in March 2021. So we could see actually Jamaica having its first JMD, Jamaican dollar, coming out very soon, guys. And it looks like that we could see authorized payments coming out, maybe sometime next year, guys. So this is really cool news in the house. This is bullish, guys. This is absolutely bullish. And why are CBDC are bullish? Because if mainstream populations are using CBDC, the jump from CBDC to crypto is very close, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. So it's going to be a lot easier for the masses to start aping in and adopting crypto in the house, guys. So this is wonderful news. And you're going to start to see that third world countries, less developed countries, are going to be aping into CBDCs. We're seeing that Turkey is also looking at maybe making Bitcoin legal tender. And this is huge news in the house, guys, because when you have countries that are ripe with inflation, this could see that the implementation of Bitcoin as a legal tender is a very good option in the house. Bitcoin holdings of public companies surged in 2021. The amount of BTC held by public companies gained significant market share in 2021, and this was held in spot ETFs since MicroStrategy. So we're seeing that the number of corporations that have adopted and have bought into Bitcoin has gone up and up and up. And we're seeing that right here, and I did talk about that in an earlier video, but we're seeing that more and more companies are aping into Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. We're seeing that the whole liquid supply of Bitcoin on exchanges is going down, down. And this should have and start to have an effect on the Bitcoin price, and we should see some movement pretty soon, guys. Woo! Happy birthday, Bitcoin. Bitcoin network turns 13, celebrates with a new hash rate at all-time highs. So we're seeing right now that the total hash rate for miners is at an all-time high right now, and this is pretty good. And we're seeing that more and more miners, they're still hodling Bitcoin. They're not selling their Bitcoin, and this is very positive, because when we see Bitcoin miners still holding on to their Bitcoin and not selling, this is absolutely a good sign, and this is going to be a stimulus to send Bitcoin to the moon, guys. So some other stuff that's coming in right now, we're seeing that 14.6 million sheep has been burned in the last 24 hours, and this is very good, and more to be destroyed. And I've told you over and over again, when you're destroying and burning tokens, this reduces the supply, and it means that token prices should start to be going up. And this adds to the deflationary aspect of Shiba Inu, and we saw 14.6 million SHIB burned today, and Shiba Coffee Company makes its second largest burn today right now. So congrats Shiba Coffee Company on their second large burn. We'll be burning more today, and I hear Bricks Buster will be doing another large one soon. So this is pretty good, guys. We're seeing more and more Shiba Inu tokens being burned, so I'm positive. You should be positive. It's a great time to be alive, guys. Some other stuff that's coming in right now, we're seeing Bitcoin consolidates above $47,000, support to close first 2022 week candle. So we're seeing right now that we have some huge support around about 44,300 right now, and that's at the Fibonacci level of 0.16618, and this is holding as huge support. We should see ourselves coming and hitting $50,000 for Bitcoin very soon, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Let's jump into the Bitcoin price right now on the weekly, and we're seeing Bitcoin right now on the weekly has been pretty much sideways all day. We're at $47,290. There's still a lot of catalysts out there. We're still below the 21-day EMA, and I'm still pretty bullish about Bitcoin. And well, guys, what do you think? Smash the likes. Tell me what you think. Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Are you bearish on Bitcoin? Do you think that we're going to see all-time highs for Bitcoin in February or March, as Bobby Axelrod has said? And I did talk about January 8th and January 18th as being huge dates. Go back and watch my previous videos that we could see a huge breakout on those dates, guys. It's a great time to be alive. We're seeing also right now that the hash rate has fully recovered from the great migration over 6 months ago. Remember when China kicked out the miners and the whole mining rate tanked right here, and we're seeing right now that the whole mining hash rate has recovered and it's going back uppity up, guys. And this is a huge catalyst, guys. And miners are not selling. Miners are actually taking loans against their Bitcoin and buying more equipment, guys. So they are still very bullish about the Bitcoin. And this is from Crypto Caesar in the house, guys. I love Crypto Caesar. And what he's saying right now is he's saying that all I see are higher lows with bullish structure intact. Spot and chill. We aren't done yet, my friends. 2022 will be epic hodl. And I believe that. If you look at the bullish structure, we have a huge bullish structure to the upside, guys, on the weekly chart. And this is looking fantastic, guys. absolutely fantastic in the house. What you guys should be doing is not panicking. You should absolutely be hodling and waiting for life-changing wealth. Smash the likes, subscribe, and don't forget to comment, guys, if you're loving this channel like I'm loving you. If you're loving the energy, smash the likes. And don't forget to give super chats in the house, guys. And here's a cleaner snapshot. This is from On-Chain College. And here's clean snapshot of Bitcoin exchange balance delta from March 2020 crash to today, guys. Remember, in 2020, had that huge crash. So this is the exchange balance, and we're seeing the balance of BTC on all exchanges has decreased almost 590,000 since the 3rd of the 14th, 20. And Hubei, Binance have essentially swapped BTC, Gemini, FTX, added Coinbase, and BitMEX have dropped. So we're still seeing huge amounts of Bitcoin being dropped off of exchanges, and we're seeing that right now. The Hubei is number one. We're seeing Coinbase. We're seeing BitMEX. We're seeing Binance is still positive, guys. But if we look at the overall negative, we add it all up, we're seeing almost 590,000 Bitcoin have come off the exchanges since the 3rd of the 14th, since February 14th, 2020 to today, guys, today. So we're seeing that the Bitcoin supply on exchanges is going down, down, and this is a good sign for the Bitcoin holders in the house, guys. Keep holding your Bitcoin, guys and gals. Illiquid supply has picked up strongly, which tells that this dip is getting further accumulated by longer-term focused investors, and this is a huge, healthy sign in the house. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it, and we're going to see Bitcoin roaring to all-time highs again soon. And we're seeing right now Bitcoin on the daily right now. We're seeing Bitcoin is consolidating around a 47,317 level. And, we're just going to consolidate along here. And then I believe by January 8th, between the 8th and the 18th, we're going to see a huge explosion for Bitcoin. And it's going to be going to the moon, guys. The RSI on the daily is looking pretty positive, guys. The MACD is looking pretty positive. And we should be seeing Bitcoin going to go to the moon, guys, and everything's looking pretty good. We're forming higher lows, guys, and that is a good sign overall. You should be loving it, guys. You should absolutely be loving it in the house. I'm loving it. You're loving it. So let's get it, guys. And here we go. This is from Bitcoin Econ, and what he's saying is that the bull run, when we have bull run dips, they typically last from 5 to 20 days with an average of 11 days. Non-bull run short dips often range between 20 and 35 days in the house, and the average is 30 days. And non-bull run long dips often last between 40 and 75 days. So what we're saying here is that based on the current trajectory, and we're at 52 days right now, we could be seeing that we could see a trend reversal happening either January 9th or no later than the 18th of January, and this will be huge, and we're going to see a trend reversal, and we're going to see Bitcoin bounce higher and higher and higher. You're loving it. I'm loving it. Let's get it, guys. So we're seeing a lot of huge catalysts out there. We're also seeing that we could be seeing, this is from Tech Dev in the House, and he's saying that if we overlay the gold fractal on top of the current Bitcoin price, we could see a $300,000 Bitcoin coming in soon, guys. And if we can hit this 2.72 logarithmic Fibonacci level, we could definitely be seeing it, guys. So this is huge. This is huge, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house right now. So Ethereum is looking pretty good. It's going up, guys. It's going up. It's actually moving a lot better, a lot faster than Bitcoin, and it's trading at $3,837 in the house. You're going to be loving it, and we're going to be retesting pretty soon the 3,900 level in the house. And I believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the altcoins are going to be taking off soon, guys. It's just a matter of time. Watch out for January 8th, guys. And we're looking at Phantom in the house. Phantom is about to retest its resistance of 260, guys. We're going to get up there. So if you're a Phantom holder, you're going to be loving it. If you're a Dragon in house, you're going to be loving it. And if you're my members in house, you're going to be like, if you love Phantom and you love the OG, smash the likes, subscribe, and don't forget to comment, guys. You know you want it. You know absolutely you want it. And if you take a look at this here, you can see that the fastest growing blockchain right now, and this is courtesy of Dragon in the house, is Phantom, guys. Phantom is the biggest and fastest growing blockchain in the house at 530%, followed by Avalanche, Solana, Tron, Terra, Celo, Ethereum, Waves, and Binance. Woo! You're going to love it, guys. And let's take a look at the total TVL right now. Let me give this a minty refresh. get my face out of there. So you can see right now the total TVL locked on chains right now. We're seeing that Ethereum is 157 billion, and that is down. That is up 1% today. We're seeing Terra is up 1%. It's at 19.67 locked in. We're seeing BSC is at 16.63. We're seeing Avalanche is up 1.46% in terms of total TVL, and that's 12.16. Solana. Then we got Phantom, guys. So Phantom is number 6. Phantom is coming to town, guys. Watch out, because it's coming, guys. So let's take a look at a Matic in the house. Matic is also doing pretty good, guys. We're going to deep dive in that. Let's take a look at the Solana. Solana is being supported by my $170 level right now. And Solana is trying to break out of the apex of this triangle. We need Solana to actually break out to the upside. If not, it could be a rejection, and we could see ourselves going down, and then we could be trading in this range between a high side of 170 and a low of 140. And I think we could be just in the mid-range, guys. So don't panic. I think that Solana will be supported by the $170 support level, and that should be fine in the house, guys. So this is a great time to be alive. So let's take a look at total market cap in the house. It's gone up a little bit from where we were earlier this morning. It's 2.32 trillion in the house, guys. The volumes are still light. We need the volumes to get moving, and we're at 51.38 billion in the house, guys. And the other thing that we need to get going is the Bitcoin dominance is coming down. So this is good, and this should spill over to the altcoins in the house, and we should start to see the altcoins making some moves in the house right now. Let me just give this a minty refresh to make sure you got the updatey. And we're seeing right now that Bitcoin right now is at 47,337, and that's up only ever so slightly, guys. We're seeing Ethereum in the house right now is at 3,837. That's up 2.32%, so that's looking pretty good. We're seeing that the Binance coin BNB is up. It's at up 1%. It's at $530. We're seeing Solana is down almost 1%, so that's a bit of a Debbie Downer, and we're at 17455. And guys, keep up, don't fall asleep, keep watching. And we're seeing ADAs at $1.37, and that's up almost neutral right now. We're seeing that right now. We're seeing Luna is up 4%, so that's looking pretty good for Luna. So if you're holding Luna, you should be pretty happy. We're at 93.76 in the house. We're seeing DOT is up 3.2%. Don't be scared, guys. They changed their logo, and it's at 29.77. Avalanche is down 4.25%. We're seeing the Doji Woji is neutral right now. It's at 17.29, so that's looking pretty good in the house, guys. And we're seeing that Shiba Weeby is also down right now as well. Matic is down, but it's picked up over the last hour. So overall, we're seeing a pretty mixed bag in the house, guys. So if you're loving it, like I'm loving it, smash the likes. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Right now we've got 3,602 followers on Twitter. Follow. Get the tips, get the tricks, get the updated news, guys. Go down there, smash the likes, comment, show some love, more love. Show more love for the OG, guys. And don't forget to go and check the Wi-Fi Wife's channel right now. Get on over, show some love to the Wi-Fi Wife's channel. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. You want the merch, I want the merch. Let's get the merch. Woo! In the house, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you later tonight. We got one more huge video coming out. I love the energy. Do you love the energy? Let's get it, guys. God bless you. See you soon. Woo!